Have you been wondering how to make a flip effect just like this in CapCut? I'm going to show you how. Let's dive right in. So first, go ahead and open CapCut on your device. And then from here, go ahead and open the project that you're currently working on. You can also create a new project by clicking on this new video button. And then into the section, go ahead and click on the video on your canvas and then select effects from the tool section and then select video effects. And then in here, use the search bar to search for flip. So in here, you'll find a few flip effects selections. So go ahead and look for the flip zoom effect. So you'll basically find that in between corner page flip and double flip. So that will allow you to incorporate the flip effect that I've shown you from the start of this video. So once you play the preview of this video, you'd be able to find that flip effect incorporated with your video. And that is how you can basically add flip effect in CapCut.